Guys, we're back. Okay, let's get that chicken separated. Have room to cook. This is chicken breast chopped up into little squares. Excuse me, I'm on camera and look a hot mess. I don't care, I just woke up and I wanted to cook this chicken. So when I get hungry, flatten it out as much as you can so it can cook better. It's on top of each other. Only the bottom piece is getting cooked. I'm pretty sure y'all know. But if it's people who are not really cookers a lot and just trying stuff from watching me, that's for y'all. Make sure it's separated and not on top of each other. See those red peppers? That seasoning. So, I was dreaming when I was asleep. I'll tell you what happened. I was standing in my kitchen and I was cooking naked while this really cute Hispanic guy climbed in my window and starts trying to wake me up and say, "I've been watching you from across the street and I want to have sex with you." And I'm like, I don't care if you've been watching me from across the street. I'm not having sex with you. Get out of my house. Are you crazy? And he was like, "But I want to have sex with you." So he was trying to pull the cover off of me and telling me, "I want to have sex with you." He just kept jacking at my cover. And I'm like screaming, like, "Someone help. There's somebody in my house." And he was like, "Don't tell anybody I'm here. Are you crazy?" And I'm like, "Why not?" He was like, "'Cause you're dreaming." And I woke up. I woke up and I sat up in my bed and I'm like, what the fuck was that? Okay, that was weird. You can drop in your comments what you think that means. That was very, very strange. Very strange. But I'm noticing I'm going to probably put more seasoning, because I like mine a little more spicy. So I'm probably going to add some more seasoning when I flip it over or stir it. And all of that juice is canola oil, because I like it to be very juicy. I don't like dry chicken breasts. I'm probably gonna spray some more canola oil and then stir it. Okay, see if we can do that for you. Trying to work with one hand. Okay. That's good. Real juicy. I will be back when I stir it and you see it start browning. Okay, guys, part 3 is coming.